that we all just trying to explore. What you living for the money and you trying to get the fame? What you plotting towards the power? You trying to put your name when it's all done, homie, what's it all for? Cause when you get what you wanted, you only want more. But that's the way that you're living when you just take what you're given and turn your back on the prison they try to place on you. We made a decision, not compromising the vision. We keep our eye on the mission to separate the truth and fiction and dogmatic religion. We do away with tradition to break down walls of division. But still some people try to judge us. Quit talking and listen, the truth is bigger than your culture, nation, status, or race. Now I ain't finna trying to argue through the ignorant hate. So when you're pointing fingers at splinters and people passing by, maybe just take a minute and remove the plate from your eye, you hear me?
It's all or nothing if you're in, no turning back. It's all or nothing if you walk right down this path. It's all or nothing if you're in, no turning back. It's all or nothing if you walk right down this path.
Looks like you call yourselves a Christian, but you're scared to make a change. And you never speak of Jesus as to use his name in vain. When the world is looking and they observe what we maintain, then we're just a bunch of hypocrites. Now who's the one to blame now? We don't need that bad reppin'. Our comfortability has become the enemy's weapon. Cause none of us are guaranteed tomorrow. Like a short time is borrowed, and my savior coming back.